Good afternoon, teacher and classmate. In the Tejar del Huarco community, there are beautiful natural attractions that allow tourists to visit every day. The Lancaster Botanical Garden has become one of the most active and important botanical institutions in the Neotropics, promoting the conservation of Costa Rica orchids. It also has the only Japanese garden in the country which contains elements such as lake, tea house, a stone garden, stone lanterns, art bridge, and bamboo forests. This place is ideal for nature lovers, for families seeking tranquility, to enjoy the breeze of the wind, the deep green of the trees, and be able to observe birds and beautiful butterflies. Finally, you can share with nature and learn a little more about the complex process of water or as resource for survival as well as its entire environment and its biodiversity with important attraction ideal for visit with the family. Conclusions and recommendations. When we visit a natural site, we must promote action to take care of the ecosystems in our families, reduce pollutions as much possible in air, water, and land, as well as reduce the generation of waste. Never buy souvenirs made from endangered species. A great contribution as a traveler is to become a member or collaborator of organizations that preserve the environment of the place. A beautiful world starts with you. Thank you for your attention.